Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by deciding which platform you use and what the Gmail icon will be. On Android, you'll use Gboard's personal dictionary, and on iPhone, you'll use text replacement. Once chosen, pick a compact trigger like GM or @G so it's quick to type. Make sure the icon you want is copied to clipboard first. Use the envelope emoji, email, or a small Gmail text. Now open the keyboard settings. Don't skip this step because it's where the shortcut is created. Next, create the actual shortcut. On Android, open Gboard, go to Dictionary, then Personal Dictionary, pick your language, tap Add and paste the envelope emoji as the phrase and type your trigger into the shortcut field. On iPhone, go to Settings, General Keyboard Text Replacement, tap plus, paste the icon into phrase and put your trigger in shortcut. Once saved, the keyboard will replace the trigger with the icon as you type. So practice typing the trigger to confirm it expands correctly. Finally, verify the Gmail icon shortcut works everywhere you need it by typing the trigger in a message, note, or browser field. Accept the suggestion to insert the icon. If it doesn't expand, make sure the keyboard is the active one, restart the keyboard or the device, and check you saved the phrase in the correct language dictionary. If conflicts occur, change to a unique trigger. Remember, this inserts an icon or emoji, not a tappable app button. Use the home screen for app opening.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.